Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly manifest their deepest desires while others struggle to make any progress? What if I told you that there's a powerful technique hidden within the depths of our subconscious mind that can turn your dreams into reality in a matter of days? Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the mysteries of manifestation and empower you with the knowledge to transform your life. Today, we are unlocking the secrets passed down by the renowned Neville Goddard, a pioneer in the field of manifestation. Join us as we explore how you can tap into the limitless power of your subconscious mind, the connecting link to the infinite universe. Within the expanses of your subconscious lies the catalyst for immense transformation and manifestation. Discover the law of assumption, a key principle highlighted by Neville Goddard, which states that assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled is the secret to bringing it into reality. We'll unveil the knot technique, a powerful tool for bypassing doubts and limitations, enabling you to tap into the pure potentiality of the universe. But that's not all. We'll also reveal the secret of power posing, a method that harnesses the physicality of our bodies to align our energy with our desires, amplifying the manifestation process. Manifestation is not just about technique, it's a mindset shift. We'll guide you on developing a positive mindset, uncovering the hidden beliefs that may be blocking your desires, and replacing them with empowering thoughts that propel you toward success. And if you've ever found yourself trapped in negativity and self-doubt, we'll teach you the art of self-talk. Learn how to reprogram your subconscious mind, eradicate limiting beliefs, and realign your thoughts with the abundant success you envision. If you're ready to embark on this transformative journey of manifestation, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't miss out on future videos where we'll dive deeper into these effective techniques that can bring your desires to life. All right, let's get started. Imagine you desperately want a promotion at work. You work hard, put in the effort, and envision yourself in that desired position. But here's the twist. You detach yourself from the outcome. You let go of the need for it to happen, making room for the universe to surprise you. By embracing this paradox between wanting something badly and not caring at all, if it manifests, you allow the manifestation process to flow effortlessly. You get into a state of surrender, trusting that the universe will deliver what is truly meant for you. Another aspect to consider is focusing on the present moment and giving 100's effort in every single play. This philosophy isn't just limited to sports. It applies to all areas of life. Let me explain through an example. Suppose you're an artist and you have a vision to create a masterpiece. Instead of fixating on whether your artwork will be praised or sell for a high price, focus on the process. Pour your heart and soul into every brushstroke, immersing yourself fully in the joy of creating. Applying this philosophy to various aspects of our lives shifts our attention from the outcome or scoreboard to the present moment. When we give our best in each moment, we align ourselves with the energy of passion, dedication, and excellence. And as a result, manifestation becomes a natural byproduct. Now let's talk about an amazing manifestation technique you might have not heard earlier. I'm talking about the knot technique here. It is a technique that stems from the law of assumption, a concept popularized by Neville Goddard. It focuses on redirecting our thoughts and beliefs to create the reality we desire. The knot technique involves mentally negating or contradicting the current reality or a limiting belief by replacing it with a statement that affirms what we want to manifest. By doing so, we shift our focus from the unwanted to the desired outcome, allowing the manifestation process to unfold. For example, Let's say you have a strong desire to attract financial abundance into your life. However, you constantly find yourself plagued by thoughts of lack and scarcity. To apply the knot technique, you would consciously catch yourself when those thoughts arise and replace them with affirmations or statements that contradict the negative beliefs. Instead of reinforcing thoughts like "I don't have enough money" or "I'll never be wealthy," you would reframe them using the knot technique. For instance, you might repeat affirmations such as "I am not limited by scarcity, and abundant opportunities are flowing into my life," or "I do not struggle with money. I effortlessly attract wealth and prosperity." The purpose of the knot technique is to redirect our attention away from the unwanted circumstances and instead focus on what we truly desire. By consistently reshaping our thoughts and beliefs to align with our desired reality, we initiate a shift in our subconscious mind, creating a fertile ground for manifestation. Did you know that the words you use shape your reality? Positive language has the power to shift your mindset and open doors to new possibilities. For example, instead of saying "I can't do it," try reframing it as "I'm currently learning how to do it." By choosing words that empower and uplift you, you foster a positive environment in your mind. Now, my friends, picture this into your mind. You're fully immersed in the present moment, observing your thoughts without attaching any judgment to them. This is the essence of mindfulness. By practicing mindfulness, you cultivate awareness, presence, and non-reactivity. It allows you to break free from negative thought patterns and embrace a more positive and compassionate mindset. Your environment plays a crucial role in shaping your mindset. Surrounding yourself with uplifting and supportive individuals can fuel your positivity and inspire personal growth. Seek out friends, mentors, and media that motivate you, offer encouragement, and challenge you to become the best version of yourself. Your self-image is the foundation of your mindset. It's how you perceive yourself and your capabilities. To develop a positive mindset, start by acknowledging your strengths and achievements. Celebrate your successes, no matter how big or small. This positive self-image empowers you to face challenges head-on, knowing that you have the ability to overcome them. Embrace your unique qualities and remind yourself of the potential that resides within you. Failure is a natural part of life's journey. Instead of seeing failure as a setback, view it as a stepping stone toward growth and improvement. Every stumble holds valuable lessons and helps you redefine your approach. Embrace failures as opportunities for growth, knowing that they do not define your capabilities or worth as an individual. We conclude this video here. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey of self-talk and the power it holds in our lives. Let's recap the key points we've explored together. We learned that self-talk refers to the use of affirmations and positive statements to build empowering beliefs within ourselves. Through conscious repetition, we reprogram our subconscious mind and maintain a positive attitude. We also discovered how important it is to challenge negative self-talk with positive affirmations. By actively replacing self-limiting thoughts with uplifting and encouraging words, we reshape our mindset and reclaim our inner power. As we journeyed further, we realized that self-talk enables us to reframe negative thoughts into positives. This transformative practice boosts our confidence and optimism, empowering us to approach challenges head-on with unwavering belief in our abilities. If you found this video insightful, please show us your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Your feedback encourages us to create more empowering content for you. And as you continue on your manifestation journey, may the universe bless you abundantly, guiding you towards the fulfillment of your desires and the realization of your dreams. Until we meet again in our next video, keep harnessing the power of manifestation. Embrace the magic within you and let your dreams become your reality.